Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show Ghost Effect on Capcut. Open Capcut, import your clip, and pick the exact segment to edit. Duplicate the clip layer, offset the duplicate by a few frames, reduce opacity, and experiment with blend modes. Keep motion smooth by adding a slight blur and easing keyframes. Preview at full speed and adjust timing until the ghost looks natural and intentional for your story. Begin by duplicating your main clip 1 to 3 times to control intensity. Offset each duplicate by a few frames, usually 3 to 8 frames, to create a trailing motion. Lower opacity on duplicates between 20% and 60% and apply Gaussian blur to soften edges. Use easing on position keyframes so the ghost moves smoothly. Fine-tune each layer until the composite feels cinematic and not overcrowded. Apply subtle motion blur or Gaussian blur to duplicates to avoid harsh outlines. Match color and exposure between layers using Capcut's color grading tools so ghosts blend seamlessly. Use easing on position and opacity keyframes to mimic realistic acceleration and deceleration. If needed, mask areas to limit the ghost to a subject or background region. Keep adjustments small. The best ghost effect feels intentional but understated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.